Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore content strategy with Google Trends and exploding topics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to Google Trends in your web browser. Once on the Google Trends homepage, familiarize yourself with the layout. In the search bar at the top, enter a relevant keyword or topic you want to analyze. Select the desired geographical region to refine your results. Adjust the time frame to see trends over the past month, year, or longer. Observe the interest over time graph for spikes or dips in search interest. Scroll down to the related topics and related queries sections. Take note of emerging trends that may relate to your content strategy. Next, open a new tab and go to Exploding Topics. Explore the featured topics on the homepage to discover rising trends. Use the search feature to input specific keywords that align with your niche. Examine the data presented, focusing on estimated growth and interest levels. Look for patterns in the topics that could inspire new content ideas. Make a list of relevant ideas based on your findings from both tools. Consider how these ideas can fit into your current content strategy. Plan a content calendar around the identified trends. Ensure to evaluate audience engagement on each piece of new content. Continue using Google Trends and exploding topics regularly to stay updated. Monitor the performance of your content to adjust your strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.